What is up, my forehead wrinkles and my rinky dinky farmers? Today I had a client hit me up and he gave me an image on Instagram that's not the best quality, but it was a preview of something that he'd seen that he liked and wanted recreated. You could see it up on screen now. Today's video is sponsored by Kittl, so a big shout out to Kittl. Links are in the description. So I took it upon myself to search through some templates on Kittl to speed up this design process, and I found this one with a font that I just saw and I thought that's going to be perfect for this design task. So I wanted to share that full design process with you. It's only the first take that I gave to the client. He might want some additions, some different sharper angles, and we'll figure that out, but I wanted to combine this Kittl video with a real life design client that I've got right now. And after this speed up process, I'm going to show you guys more content of me using Kittl and exploring trending typography to hopefully inspire you guys on your journeys as artists. This is going to be like a speed up time-lapse type video without me waffling on the whole time, so I'm going to leave you guys to it. I just wanted to jump on the microphone and kind of explain what you're watching and say "Badeggy." With that being said, I'll leave you to enjoy the video with some amazing beats made by Full Moon Productions. Check him out in the description. He makes most of my beats for YouTube and they're real splendiferous. So yeah, see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.